Welcome to this Cash App tutorial on how to set up direct deposit. Setting up direct deposit on Cash App allows you to receive your paycheck or government benefits directly into your Cash App account, providing a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances. To get started, you need to download and install the Cash App on your mobile device if you have not already done so. Once you have the app, follow these steps to set up direct deposit. First, open the Cash App and tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Cash App account from the menu and scroll down to the direct deposit section. Tap on Get Account Number to obtain your account and routing numbers. You will need to provide your employer or the government agency with your Cash App account and routing numbers to set up direct deposit. You can find these numbers in the direct deposit section of the app. It is essential to note that the routing number for Cash App direct deposit is different from the one used for other transactions. Make sure to use the correct routing number to avoid any issues with your direct deposit. To set up direct deposit, you will typically need to fill out a direct deposit form provided by your employer or the government agency. On this form, you will need to provide your Cash App account and routing numbers, as well as any other required information. Once you have completed the form, submit it to your employer or the government agency, and they will take care of the rest. It may take a few pay periods for the direct deposit to take effect. So be patient and monitor your account to ensure that your payments are being deposited correctly. In addition to receiving your paycheck or government benefits, you can also use direct deposit to receive other types of payments, such as tax refunds or investment income. Overall, setting up direct deposit on Cash App is a straightforward process that can help you streamline your finances and stay on top of your payments. By following these steps and providing the required information, you can start receiving your payments directly into your Cash App account.